So today I'm whipping out the old cameras because somebody wanted a little bit of attention, okay? And we're going to give this person the attention they want. Here at JordanJJereb's channel, we do feed the trolls. If you want attention, you can get some attention, okay? But don't get mad when you get the attention that you seek. So we're going to give this person some attention, okay? So this person emails me, okay? They claim to be some woman. I get a lot of cuckoo emails. I'm not even 100% sure that this is a woman that sent me this at first, okay? I know a little more now. I suspect I might know who this is. I've talked to a couple of people, and the exact people that she mentioned, I'm 90% sure now, on like day 3 of this, that I'm pretty sure I know who this is. I'm not certain. And so this person sends me a harassing email. They immediately go to Reddit, okay, and they brag about sending me a harassing email. And within the Reddit post, they admit that they're trying to provoke me into doing something illegal so that I can be criminally charged. It's in the Reddit post, admittedly, okay? And we have screenshots of it, and I've taken a digital snapshot of it, okay? And this is the stuff you have to deal with when you're JordanJJereb, okay? This is absolutely the stuff you have to deal with when you're JordanJJereb. Now, in spite of all the claims that this person is making, she has absolutely zero evidence of anything she's saying. She says she has a decade worth of evidence. Where is it? Show it. If you have all this evidence that I've done something to you, show it. Show it. Why don't you show it? Because you don't have it. You don't have it. It doesn't exist. You are a schizo. You know what I mean? And this is the crazy shit from these people in Tallahassee. These people that live in Tallahassee, this is why I spend so much time like just out in the woods, basically, just away from these people. Because I'm telling you, I walk down the street in Tallahassee, you got people claiming I'm up to no good. It's impossible for me to just live without these people saying I'm doing something. And so that's why I meticulously document everything. I meticulously document everything. And so again, this person is making accusations against me. They claim that they're getting the court system involved or whatever. You got people in the Reddit posts that are talking about damaging my vehicles. They're talking about subscribing me to spam emails and all kinds of... So you have people, and she's trying to incite a mob of people against me. It's a crappy attempt. It's not going to work well. She didn't even, like, the stuff she says doesn't even make sense. You can just Google my name, for example. You don't have to Google Nick Fuentes along with my name. That doesn't make any sense. So it's a very poor attempt at inciting a rage mob, but that is what this girl's trying to do, okay? And evidently she's upset that one of her friends likes me or something. I don't know. I don't even understand what's happening in her little cuckoo head. At one point in her email, she actually alluded to her carrying a gun and using it against me. I have something to say to that, to whoever you are, which I'm pretty sure I know who you are, but I don't know for sure. Every time I am in Tallahassee, I am with armed men that are legally carrying rifles. It will be the worst decision you ever make in your entire life, and it will also be the last decision you ever make in your entire life. Threatening me with your little pink Glock when you know that I travel around with men with rifles is pretty silly. Along with everything else you do, which is pretty silly. Stop being silly. We're grown-ups. And some of this shit you're talking, you're going to get some attention you don't want. Okay? And I can handle it. You can't. You're starting a fight you do not want. Okay? I don't mind attention. I don't mind drama. I don't mind controversy. You can't handle it. I can tell. You are a schizo. This will break you. While I'm laughing about it and making money off of it, this will mentally break you. And I would pursue legal action against you, but you're probably broke. Schizophrenic mental patients tend to not have money. So filing a civil suit against you is probably worthless. And I know that because I talked to an attorney about it today. This person wants to incite the Reddit feminist against me. Let's give them the attention they want, you know, because I'm tired of people slandering my name and making false accusations. You want to do this, we're going to do it. We're going to run it because truth doesn't fear investigation. And my truth is easy to understand. Yours is complicated and convoluted and full of holes. You start asking some basic questions, your story will fall apart really quickly. And I know it will because everything you're saying is nonsense. Let's see who's done nothing wrong, and let's see who is inciting a mob of feminists on Reddit. Let's see who's actually doing something wrong here. Truth does not fear investigation. You wanted attention, you've got attention. You've got exactly what you wanted. Let's do this. JordanJJereb, signing off.